Hello, I am back with a YesStyle haul makeup look. I am going for a Pantone color called Living Coral. So I'm just going to be starting off with my Glossier priming lotion. Then I'm going in with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is a great under eye base. Definitely keeps you hydrated and reduces fine lines. Next, I'm going in with my Kosas concealer in 3.5, and this is one of my favorite concealers so far. It's very hydrating and also helps with fine line as well, and it just blends into my skin. I'm going straight into eyeshadow. This is a perfect coral color for the Pantone shade I'm going for, and it also has a shimmery shade as well. I'm going to be using the coral first on my outer edges. Then I'm going to be using a fluffy brush and just blending it throughout the whole lid. And then I'm using the glittery shade to put it on my lid. And oh, look at that color, it's so beautiful. And taking the same fluffy brush and blending it all together for a smooth transition. I'm going to be using a glitter liner just to put under my under eye, just in the corner. I just want to have like a little more extra pop of glitter. Then I'm going to quickly curl my lashes. And I'm going to be using this metallic brown eye mascara. I'm pretty surprised how this turned out. It was actually pretty subtle, and you couldn't even tell if I was wearing mascara or not, which I love. I'm using this Fork eyebrow tint, which I've never used before, so I'm going to try to butcher this and see how it goes. I'm just going to create some lines here and there so I don't mess up, but eventually I did. And so far it didn't look too bad. I'm impressed. I'm going to be using this Prism Air highlighter, and oh my gosh, when I first opened it, like, look at that. Amazing. It's definitely a lighter type of highlighter. It wasn't too heavy, and it was just the right amount of highlight. I'm going to be using this single blush in kind of a pinky coral color, and then just dabbing it with my fingers so I don't get too much on. Also going to be putting some on my nose. Going in with my ColourPop eyeliner, which kind of broke, but I fixed it. And then just going to be creating a little line only on the outer edge. For my lips, I'm using the Pillow Talk in Charlotte Tilbury. This shade has definitely not disappointed me and goes so well with the eyeshadow color. In the video, I just want to let you know I also got this pretty pink pale nail polish as well as some nail decorations. Definitely check it out. And can't forget the setting spray. I'm going to be using ColourPop's Pretty Fresh. And there you have my simple curl Pantone color. I'll see you guys next time.